The micro, small, and medium enterprises are considered to be the backbone of Indian economy. The segment, the MSME sector, which employs about 12 crore of Indian population, contributes 30% of India's GDP and 45% of India's export, is a major growth engine for India to become a 5 trillion economy. Contribution of MSME sector on International MSME Day, which falls on June 27th. We are here for an interesting conversation with Mr. KJ Srikanth, General Manager, MSME Division, Canara Bank. Namaste, sir.
Namaste.
Sir, what are your expectations on credit growth for MSME sector this fiscal?
Yeah, the globe as well as the country went through a terrible time for the last 2 years. Pandemic was very devastating effects on all economies. MSME sector was the worst affected, and for the last 2 quarters, recovery has been very good. Our credit growth in MSME also was very good for the last financial year. We have registered almost 10% growth in MSME. We have crossed 1 lakh crore, and with the projection of almost 7.5 to 8% GDP growth for the country for the next financial year, we are definitely confident MSME sector will do very well.
Okay, sir. So, which are the segment in MSME which you are seeing which has better credit absorption?
Yeah, metal industries, cement, textiles, tourism, healthcare, professional. These are the key sectors where we are expecting a very good growth in the current financial year.
Okay. So last quarter, I think Q4 of fiscal 2022, there was a slippage of about 3,600 crore, out of which rupees 800 crore was from MSME. Do you see any further slippage on that front?
Actually, Government of India, Reserve Bank of India have taken a very proactive steps to face the pandemic. They have unveiled various schemes for the COVID affected sectors, particularly MSME sectors. GECL is one such, COVID moratorium is another. So these two steps have greatly helped the MSME sector to avoid slippages.
Okay.
And during the last year, our performance, we have improved almost 2 percentage points, 13.78 to 11.97 was the decrease in the gross NPA under MSME sector. And going ahead with the recovery in the economy, we are expecting that slippages will be minimum and there will be further reduction in the slippages of MSME for this year.
So what is your expectation with regard to degradation of NPA this fiscal?
Again, I am telling you, recovery is very good. Projections for the economy to do well are very positive and all sectors are doing well. Tourism sector has picked up, transportation has picked up, manufacturing has picked up, services have picked up. We are hopeful that we are out of the woods. Definitely, if there is no fourth wave, we are confident that MSME sector and Indian economy will do very well during this year.
Okay. So, what are the focus segments of Canara Bank, especially in MSME sector?
In MSME, we are focusing on transportation, textiles, tourism, manufacturing, healthcare, professionals are the key segments on which we are focusing, and we are hopeful that we will be achieving good growth in these sectors.
Okay. So what are the new loan products which have been launched recently or which you are planning to launch imminently in near future?
We have specific schemes like Canara MSME CAP, which is loan against property, Canara GST, where assessment is simplified. It is only based on the turnover as per the GST, and a lot of norms are relaxed in this. GECL is one area where bank has done very well. We have almost disbursed 15,000 crores under GECL last year. So these are the highlights of the focus for the last year, and going ahead, these will be focus areas.
Okay. So what is the USP of Canara Bank MSME loan? Are they better structured than other banks?
Bank has a spread of almost 9,200 branches across the country.
Okay.
We have 156 MSME Sulabhs, which will be focusing on high value MSME portfolio of about 25 lakhs. And we have 232 MSME specialized branches, and there are more than 300 focus MSME branches which will cater to the needs of MSME customers. And we have almost a wide range of products, area specific schemes, customized scheme for select product, specialized marketing officers in MSME Sulabs for speedy disposal of proposals and healthy growth of the MSME portfolio.
So, which segment of MSME do you think they are facing stress? How are you planning to overcome such stress in lending?
Last year and year before, our tourism sector was badly affected.
Okay.
Transportation was badly affected.
Okay.
Aviation industry was badly affected.
Okay.
Gems and jewelry sector also has some stress, but government has come out with various schemes to alleviate, to come to the rescue of these affected industries, and they have given liberalized GECL as well as extended moratorium to face the challenges, and many of the units have crossed the tide and now they are doing very well.
Okay. How are government various schemes like MSME Loan Mela, how they are supporting the growth of MSME?
It is not exactly loan mela, it is the interest subvention, capital subsidy, and various other measures like postponement of GST, all others, the reduction in the power tariff. These are the measures taken by government which is helping MSME sector, and definitely these are welcome steps.
Okay. In the past, we have seen like several innovative steps taken by Canara Bank, such as tying up with lending card to help MSME take a loan online through online ways. Throw some more light about it, sir.
Yeah.
Any more interesting schemes?
Yeah.
Similar.
We have two types of tie-ups. One is fintech tie-up and one is co-lending. In both, we are doing very well.
Okay.
Under fintech, these are financial, technically, that means tech finance companies are there. They have got technology to leverage upon, and they have got a reach. They are focused on one sector. So their penetration is very good. Segmentation we have done. Unsecured loan up to 10 lakhs is one portfolio. About 10 lakhs up to 200 lakhs where secured portfolio is there. That is also one model. 80-20 is the model which we are focusing, and we have done almost 1,200 crores so far in this co-lending process.
Okay. In the past, you have many campaigns on MSME gold loans, basically. So, but can you please throw some light on it? Like, is it still intact? Any more new such schemes coming up?
Yeah. One survey says India has the highest private gold holding. That needs to be leveraged. It is stored at home, which is at risk. Now, that can be leveraged by all sectors, especially MSME sector, where there are many paperwork. They have to submit stock statement, they have to give financial statement. Every year there will be assessment of working capital. It is a cumbersome process for a small entrepreneur. So for this sector, we have a very good gold loan scheme. If they give gold as a pledge, all these cumbersome procedures can be avoided. Liberalized assessment will be there. They need not submit any stock statement. They need not submit any financial returns every year. And these loans are almost between 50,000 to 35 lakhs is what we can lend under this scheme to MSME sector. And it is a very good scheme, and it is picking up fast across all customers in Canara Bank.
Okay. Can you tell us more about your MSME division which you are heading, and also like the number of employees you have, the loan size, the business verticals, etc.?
Yeah. Now this MSME wing has almost 85 employees. We have got SME business unit, processing unit, policy unit, monitoring unit, compliance unit, and we have a specialized CGT MSc vertical which consists of almost 85,000 employees. And the business has already, I have told you, it has crossed 1 lakh crore during last financial year, and we are expecting almost 10 to 11% growth during the current financial year.
Okay. And beyond processing of loans, like do you have some outreach programs or in terms of like guidance, hand-holding MSME startups, all those things?
Yeah, we have launched one digital on lending without human intervention. We want to dispose or disburse loan up to 50,000. This will be entirely system driven.
Okay.
We are initiating this process. Existing customers already are getting this benefit. New customers to the bank, we are unveiling it maybe in a few days time. So this will be one initiative where without human intervention, loan will be sanctioned and disbursed. And we have lot of digital applications in our internet as well as mobile banking. We have an online application portal where a customer can go and put his application, and it will be iLead will be generated.
Okay.
That will be processed and decision will be taken based on merits of the case.
Okay. We are almost done, sir. But on this International MSME Day, would you like to talk more about MSME?
Yeah, MSME is an important segment in the economy. MSME sector contributes almost 30 to 40% of the GDP.
Okay.
It provides employment to almost 60% of the population, and it contributes to almost 70% of the exports. And it is a vital sector for economy. And we need to focus for the growing population. This is one very good avenue for employment generation as well as for taking this country forward to make it 5 trillion to 10 trillion economy. MSME sector is very important. We have to take care of this sector. This is definitely future of India.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for giving this opportunity to talk to all of you. Thank you very much.